To the high, to the high, to the high. Was it good? Yeah. When I got you and everybody. Try to be beautiful, babe. To the high, to the high, to the high. Try to be beautiful, baby. Understand my journey is. As I touch your hands, please understand my way, my way, my way. As I make all these suggestions of what happened in the way. Understand I got so long to go, and I want to hold my head in more that I could never go as far to the high, to the high, to the high. I sold myself to the world of heaven. I'm leaving, journeying over to the other side. Baby, look at me, I made it to the other world that makes me over my soul. And I got more than a soul. I'm just a free bird, squirrel, animals, and all those spirits. I love to be beautiful, baby. I love to be beautiful, baby. Baby, I'm beautiful. Maybe I'm wrong to be gone from my others that are not getting yet to the other side, but they will miss me and I will appear once again. To the high, to the high, to the high. It gets into the way of what they sing today. Just sing a song and leave a note of something beautiful as it goes like this. Don't worry about me, I'm in a better, safer place. I don't have to worry about anything. I get whatever I want. Ants and everything. I get whatever I want. I get whatever I want. And I get whatever I want. And I get whatever I want. The miracle of life is so beautiful. I just wanna be happy. And I'm gonna leave a sudden change of respect. To the high, to the high, to the high. That I get from every changing time of the words of what I say. From what happens to those that go away. That go away. I will sing a little tune of everything when they appear to be my ending to my ending to my ending. I will begin with their beginning, with their singing, their ways of where they went where they're going and where they were going. To be so nice, to be themselves. Antlers are so smooth. My beautiful baby, they know nothing of what they say. Matthew, I have myself my ritual. They know nothing of what they do. They're just a loser that thinks they're just gonna be so beautiful like my baby cherry trees and cherry animals and cherry everything. Cherrying up. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Are you very, very, very content and happy unto the most that you could be? Yes, I am. And you ask, why did you leave? I was getting older than anything. I just wanted to leave. And they fall from the tree or anything like that. It's common to the world. They just want to enter the realm of everything that holds them attention to the world. And I say my own self, I will be today. I will be so better at telling them. I will always love them, always. I will be better each time, each day, each time, with or without. But with them, I will always see them. I will always get a fuse of everything that fell. One cherry and one cat is gonna bury, and tell them a story. These are the pharaohs of the work today. You can see different color eyes on the cat, 'cause it screams we are the murring around, turning the whole sound into our sound of what makes us go round into the world, around the world, the circle of the world, the circle of the world is a circling that we turn into a skirt of everything we stir into the stirring pot that turns the way that people will get knocked because they don't know how to flesh the flesh they wound in their flesh. Now we got to face up with this day of telling the world, today I will make my world so better, and my world will come with the matter of everybody. Why they do so much that we have to do not to use cheddar with the cheddar and cheddar with the cheese, and everybody has some fun. And will you get a piece of cheese? Yes, I will. And have enjoyment of everything you do, 'cause I love you as long as you have some fun with your holy body melt. Antlers are so good, now I got so smooth nerves to go with. Today is my birthday, I wish you a happy birthday. To the whole circle of what we give in the circle of life. Is it still the same for you, baby? Yes. So we could just let it go with these people that are gonna be so bone trash. Thing sounding to the sky while it sounds like a cow giving milk to the whole life of everything we hold. I hope you run with the cows and the pigs and everything and get whatever you want. I will miss you with all my heart. I love you so much. Baby, beautiful song Baby, beautiful song. Was it good? Yeah. When I got you and everybody